everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make big text on Discord. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. It's very simple. Go to any particular chat where you want to write the big text. So this is very simple. You have to write or type hash first, then give a space, then write your particular sentence or word. Like I'm gonna write hi. So if I click the send button, the particular text will be bigger. Let's see if it works or not. You can see that the text has been bigger. Let me show you another example. I'm just writing the normal text first. Okay, here it is. It's simple. You can see Sanju13 is my ID. It's simple. Now I'm writing with the hashtag, then space, then subscribe. Let's say. Okay, I'm sending it. You can see the text has been bigger. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.